Welcome to 8B Southern Living, and this is after the rain. Level is up quite a bit, and it's time to save the boats. Well, we had some torrential rains last night, and this whole area flooded. And it went over the bridge. They tried to carry it away. So now we've got to get this out of here so that it doesn't get carried any further. But yeah, everything is underwater. So we've saved the bridge for another day. Might just become a dock.
Huh?
So it might just become a dock.
Well, you only get rain like this 2 times a year, I think.
Yeah. You know what? It is pretty. I can't complain. Because this is the wetland part of the property, and it's living up to its name. And you'd be surprised at the size of some of the fish that comes through here. It's very pretty. It's going to take a while for this water to go down, and then I guess we'll just try again. Until next time.